is potato picking day. It is September 4th? 4th. And we have some potatoes that are ready. Some of them you can tell the leaves are still green, so they're not ready. But we're digging in for the ones whose stalks and leaves dried out. So we're gonna do some digging and see what we get. We already have two pretty good size, like that size potatoes that are purple. They were supposed to be little tiny ones, but they grew massive. So we'll see what we find out. All the ones Eli's been digging up already. That's a nice bowl. So we've got like some regular size ones. Oh, nice! I love it. Love it, love it. Started digging on this side and I didn't find anything, so I'm just gonna...
I'm sticking right to the stalks.
Yeah, where the stalks are all dry.
Stalk coming out. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's...
Ooh, these are really nice actually. Yeah, so that purple one is kind of small compared to the two big ones that we got already.
Yeah, that's a smaller one.
Okay, very cool. I'm just gonna keep recording you because you're getting all of the potatoes.
I'm not sure how much more luck I have between. Those are kind of shallow. I didn't actually expect them to be that shallow.
Yeah, there was one like staring up at me yesterday, so that's why I had to take it out. But I got like the mini baby ones. That's what I've been finding. You've been finding like the massive ones. The thing is, those big purple ones, they weren't supposed to be that big.
No, they weren't. Those are supposed to be tiny, tiny purple, tiny.
This is like treasure hunting. It's awesome. Shoot, that is so cool.
There's another one right here.
Okay, go ahead, dig them out.
Oh, I think there's more deeper too.
You've hit the mother lode.
That little one right there.
That one's a good size.
This is a good size too.
Ooh, perfect.
That one.
Oh, don't miss the tiny baby one in there.
Yeah, there's a little guy too.
Hun, all the purple ones were supposed to be tiny. They were not supposed to be big.
No, that's what we got. It's confusing. Oh, look, there's more tiny ones. Oh, wait a minute. On my hand.
Yeah.
I expect that. Gotta kind of follow the stalk.
Oh, there's another baby one that just fell out.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, yeah, I see another one in there.
Really? Look at this.
Nice. Look, there's one right there, right there. No, go back, go up. When you had your hand before?
Right here, yeah.
Yeah, right there.
This one.
Yeah.
That's part of the stalk. So.
Very
going
cool.
around it first.
Oh, okay, so you don't lose.
Exactly, so I don't lose the other ones, whatever actually happens. So, but anyways, if the other ones, they'll start making roots and they'll start growing.
Even if we leave some of the tiny ones, yeah, for next year.
I'm not concerned because this is going to be our potato well here. So.
Yeah. Plus, a lot of these are still very green. I think those are the big potatoes that we planted that will be green for a little bit longer.
Yeah.
And that's okay. They need time to grow. So Eli is doing such a great job that I'm just going to let him do all the finding because I've been digging and nothing. I had like two little babies. But look at this. All of the massive potatoes and big white ones too coming out. And a lot of these potatoes, we just basically let them develop into seed potatoes in our little like cabinet.
And then we planted them.
There was one seed or a couple of seed potatoes that were those big white ones that had grown so many eyes that the eyes got tangled and they were like, I mean, the eyes were like each like a foot or more long.
Now, to be honest with you, I don't think those are pickable yet. You have those green stalks. Those are still for white potatoes. They're not purplish like these ones are.
No, they're not ready.
More than likely, they're not ready yet.
Yeah.
We still have some more potatoes, so more than likely, probably half from here, that's going to be saturated with potatoes as well that we haven't actually seen.
Yeah, no, we gotta leave them because they're just starting to dry out. Like the leaves are just starting to get curly.
Also, make sure that you actually kind of break down the dirt because some of them might be potatoes, some of them might not be potatoes. So.
Yeah. I love what you're doing where you're just digging right under the root.
Yeah, well, that's the whole thing. You got to kind of follow the pattern of where the stalk actually have dried up, and that actually takes you just like any root, like yucca, anywhere ñame. You just have to follow that stalk, and that's where you find. That's what my mom told me. There
are also some weeds we got to pick out, obviously. But damn, that's a nice bowl of potatoes.
There's another dry stalk right here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Go that one.
That makes sense. Yeah, that's the dry stalk. I want to
actually kind of let the other ones, because in the edge you might actually find some more of the other stalks that we removed.
Yeah. Plus, you want to make sure that the stalks that are still green, you know, we don't remove those.
Exactly. I don't want to touch those. They're further down, so I just want to do the dry ones.
Also, like, I'm gonna zoom in. There's some of the potato fruit. Let me see if I can get a nice picture.
I
Right,
had some, but they
right there. Yeah, the potato fruit right there, that green thing. Just leave it in the ground. It's got seeds and everything. Just leave it there.
Yeah, I'm getting close to that root right there. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh shoot! Let me zoom in. Oh, that is awesome. That's a sizable potato too. Dirt.
See,
Oh wow!
Look
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Because further down,
Look at that!
you see, and this is deeper because every single time you let this was much shallower.
Yeah.
So what we did, we actually did the first bed of soil, and then you have the first bed of soil where you plant them. Then after that, you just keep on filling it up with soil until you get to so the stalk could actually start picking up. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And then from there, what you want to do is that you want to kind of fill up so the stalk could actually keep on saturating. But then further down, depending on how deep you go, you got to make sure that you look further down so get the potatoes below.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's true. That when we did it first, we had like one layer of dirt. Oh wow, yeah, I see them. One layer of dirt. Then we planted them. Then we layered like half of this on top of dirt.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Look at that already. All kinds of beautiful colors.